Yo everyone, today we're talking about Capcut PRO modded version application who allowed you to get Capcut PRO absolutely for free. As you can see, Capcut Pro PRO++ application is already installed in my device. It's like the modded version who allowed you to get PRO in Capcut absolutely for free. All you have to do, we must enter our email address where we want to get our Capcut PRO Premium absolutely for free. The next step, press button generate, and now as you can see everything is generated, like cracking our application. Everything as you can see is complete. Our account is already have PRO in CapCut absolutely for free. But how to get CapCut PRO++ application for your device? It's easy. Open browser, go to Zeno app, type the CapCut, press button install, wait to finish this process. After finish this process, we must complete easy human verification for all instructions. After complete every step from this verification, CapCut PRO++ will be installed in your device. It's easy and free. Thank you for watching.